Hello everyone, welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn. Today we will do a reading comprehension about ants. Let's read this passage and answer the questions at the end. This is an ant. This is an ant. This is an ant. Ants are insects. Insects. Ants are insects. Ants are insects. Ants have 6 legs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, ants have 6 legs. Ants have 6 legs. Ants have 6 legs. They don't have ears. They don't have ears. They don't have ears. They are strong. They are strong. They are strong. They walk in a line. They walk in a line. Read again. They walk in a line. They make nests to live. They make nests to live. Read again. They make nests to live. Ants live in groups called colonies. Colonies. Ants live in groups called colonies. Ants live in groups called colonies. Ants lay eggs. Ants lay eggs. Ants lay eggs. Let's read it one more time. This is an ant. Ants are insects. Ants have 6 legs. They don't have ears. They are strong. They walk in a line. They make nests to live. A group of ants is called a colony. Ants lay eggs. Please pause the video here if you want to read it again. Time to answer some questions. What insect is this? This is an ant. How many legs do ants have? 6. Ants have 6 legs. Where do ants live? Ants live in the nest. The first one is a nest where birds live. We all know it very well. But ants make their nests underground. What is a group of ants called? Colony. A group of ants is called a colony. Ants have eyes. Ants have eyes, but they don't have ears. Hope you all enjoyed reading with me. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and write to us in the comment section below. For more such videos, subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. Press the bell icon and stay connected with us. Thank you.